It's too easy to tumble on yourself, comforting to hang on to old books on the shelf, with easy destinations without weary knees. Everybody knows what it looks like, but how does it feel? You give me wrongs, you get you rights, you tell me everything you need, but you just don't know what you got. Well, you're busy flipping papers, thinking over what you're making, or thinking over what you're not. It's your disease of the soul, chipping your mind out of control. Well, these bones are for breaking, a little underneath your clothes. You got it all, you got a lot, and more than most people ever come to know. You give me wrongs, you get your rights, you tell me everything you need, but you just don't know what you got. You got.
The trip itself, like, we got beautiful weather, and just going through the channels was very nice. They were quite big, we were on quite a big boat.
It's fantastic to see some type of birds.
You give me wrongs, you get you rights, you tell me everything you need,